Janine at Jericho, masayang nakijamming sa birthday celebration ni Eddie Gutierrez. So happy si Janine Gutierrez na binati ang kanyang lolo, Eddie Gutierrez, sa kanyang Instagram story kung saan nagbahagi siya ng mga larawan nila ng kanyang lolo. Ayon pa nga sa naging caption ni Janine, "Happy birthday legend at Eddie Gutierrez 06. Samantala nakipag-jamming naman ang dalaga kasama ang nobyong si Jericho Rosales kung saan hinandugan pa nila ng kanta si Tito Eddie. Nagbigay din ng mensahe ang actress at ganun din ang actor.
Sir, Captain, do you know Post Malone? Or Bad Bunny? No, I think Janine will say something. Are we gonna say? You say something and then you forget.
Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo! I am so lucky because Lolo is our Lolo and I'm sure everybody feels the same way. Unfortunately, ang nabana ko kay Lolo ay acting and not singing. But since it's your birthday, Lolo...
So we're gonna do an acting thing.
Since it's your birthday, Lolo, we'll sing something.
He doesn't know.
Narito naman ang samot-saring reaction ng mga fanay. Happy birthday, Tito Eddie, real couple, caring, candid, fabulous, #artist, sweet, amazing, lovely, stars, couple, you can create music both together, Nini, use your voice when you had 3 times. Happy birthday po, hindi nakakasawang ulit-ulitin. Janine, have a nice voice. Jericho said, pang-asap daw. May naalala. Ganon din sinabi ni Jericho. Nung asap, never mind the guy. Was naka-anaconda. No need to mention his name. Baka sumikat pa. Hulaan nyo na lang. May Econin forever. Beautiful photo pictorial with Grandma Annabelle. Lolo Eddie, Tita Rufia, Sister Jessica, and Baba Nini and Baba Echo. Happy blessed birthday at Eddie Gutierrez, the Elvis Presley of Pinas and the legend, great actor in showbiz, Gutierrez, in showbiz clan. God bless you. Econin has the same top. Sobrang hot nilang dalawa. May stress reliever. Econin forever. Real couple. Nag-iisa lang ang Econin. Kitang-kita talaga sa mga kumalat na video kung gaano ka-sweet ang magjowa at so happy sa naging birthday celebration na yon ni Tito Eddie. Happy birthday po! Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.